Today we're in Fort Pierce, Florida, home of Poli Glow products. Brilliant ideas often produce brilliant products. Poli Glow products was developed from the idea that a brilliant, long-lasting shine on an older, faded fiberglass boat or RV could not be produced from even the best waxes and polishes. These surface treatments fail within 3 months and do not keep the oxidized Gelcoat looking new. Over 25 years ago, Poli Glow developed a fiberglass Gelcoat restoration product. Poli Glow is not a surface treatment, but rather absorbs into and penetrates the fiberglass, sealing and protecting it. This proprietary formula contains state-of-the-art UV inhibitors for dominant restoration and protection, and the highest gloss available today. Poli Glow will not wash off with soap and water like waxes and will last 5 to 6 years with proper maintenance. Sales quickly grew and demand for the product reached far beyond expectations. Today, Poli Glow is in high demand worldwide from boaters and RVers shipping across the United States, Canada, the Caribbean, South Africa, Europe, and even Australia, New Zealand, and Hong Kong. Poli Glow products continues to expand to include a wide range of products for the marine and recreational vehicle industry. All products are unique and of the highest quality available on the market. Bring back your original color, shine, and protection with Poli Glow. Fiberglass restoration, protection, and shine that has been trusted for more than 25 years. Come visit them today at polyglow.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.